Hey, this is the masterclass for content creators. I'm Kiki, and today's class is about showing your personality in order to grow your audience. I know, I'm slightly an introvert myself. And sometimes you simply just do not want to show your face, and I feel you on that. However, that's why I'm here to teach you. This video is more so motivational in order to help you face your fears. You ready? My favorite motto for when I'm hesitant about anything is simply just this. What's the worst that can happen? Because truly, what's the worst that can happen? If you take a look at my TikTok, and if you're not following me, you should, most of my videos are in a robe and a bonnet. Some may say it's tacky. I quite frankly say I am in the comfort of my home, how I comfortably look while I am in my home. I should just be able to look however I want and let the content come with ease. Now, some people may disagree with that. Now, we know TikTok is a very different platform in comparison to YouTube, to Instagram. Just to give a rough estimation, my TikTok views can range from 350 to over 1 million. But that's quite frankly not because of how I look. It's because of the topic, relatability, possibly my accent because I'm from New York, which is just based off of the comments that I get. That's not how I personally feel. My personality is being honest and very true to myself. Being that I work from home and I am a homebody, that is just my natural state, and I am okay with that. And my audience seems to be okay with it too. And if they weren't, then they just are not meant to be a part of my community. And that's the mentality you have to have, babes. I have no problem with putting on clothes. I have on clothes right now. I'm not in my robe, as we can see. However, makeup for me is a deal breaker. Makeup for me is just not being true to myself. I do enjoy my natural beauty. We do not have to fit everyone's aesthetic. You have to be sure to find your own. Don't let someone else's aesthetic dictate what yours should be. Being a content creator, especially the more you evolve, you will have multiple aesthetics. So do not feel as if you have to stick to that and go with it. No. In a way, you can say that I allow my personality to be my aesthetic. Think of who you are and what you want your audience to know about you. You can be an open book. You can keep some things private. That will be all up to you. But if your niche is a lifestyle creator and your audience knows nothing about you, it will be difficult to try to build a community. It will be hard for them to vibe with you because in a way, lifestyle content is the closest thing to in real life content that anybody can provide. So if you're vlogging your life, you need to give them insight about your life. I always say, share what you're comfortable with, but don't ever post anything that you will regret. Now, if you have a niche like tech, you don't have to give your entire life story, but you definitely should give your tech background. Using myself as an example, when I started this series, I provided my social media management background and what I can provide to you guys. I didn't feel the need to provide the get to know me kind of questions because it's not necessary for this niche. But never forget, creating content is all about building your community. Your community has to feel as if they know you. Voiceovers is also you showing your personality, FYI. So if you want to start off with voiceovers, be my guest. However, the background music with no voiceover, it's a little troublesome, only because if your audience doesn't even know what you sound like, how are they supposed to invest in you? The more you post, whether it's long form or short form, whether it's voiceovers or talking videos like this, you will feel more comfortable with expressing yourself. Your personality is what gives you character. If you're talkative, if you're cheerful, if you enjoy dark humor, there is somebody out there for you. Don't overthink it, but while you're filming, think about what makes you you. Like me, for example. When I'm excited about something, I'm animated. I'm like this. I talk to you guys as if I'm talking to my homegirls. This is a marketing video. Meanwhile, I still bring my personality to light. I still am providing you guys with details, tips, and information while I still get to be myself. You can tell when I'm passionate about something because I just talk, yap. It is definitely crucial if you are providing information and tips that you provide your background. It's okay to not have talking videos all the time, but if you never say a peep, you are definitely blocking your opportunities. Class is over. Comment below if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to keep up with me, and see you guys next video.